Hi, I'm Tony Lieggi, Customer Support Manager here at Lieggi Manufacturing. Today I want to talk about snipper drums. Lieggi offers complete snipper drum rebuilds from 22-inch drums, 32-inch midsize, and even the 48-inch jumbo. A complete rebuild includes new pockets, baffles, rods, and end plates. If your running rings and end plates are in good condition, we can pre-build the drum and ship it to you on temporary end plates. We offer 4mm to 5mm wavy to straight pockets, and if you have a re-snip line, we also offer machine pockets to 17/64 opening. We also offer mild steel or stainless steel running rings, galvanized or stainless steel baffles, mild steel or stainless steel rods. Don't forget, Lieggi offers the longest lasting snipper knives on the market, and we can supply full assemblies with knife holders that are unbreakable. When you're ready to rebuild your drum, or if you have any questions, please give us a call, 920-623-4152, and ask for Lisa, or email us at parts@liegomfg.com. Remember, servicing and supporting our customers is a top priority, especially when it comes to keeping your equipment running smoothly.